AI. We hear it every single day, every minute of our life right now. And to be back in the day, actually in L&D, the AI wasn't so popular. Perhaps we could have used some chat GPT for little like recommendations and stuff. But as of 2026, AI is a crucial part for corporate trainers, for L&D teams, and additionally, it not only limits through some chat GPT or Claude, but actually there are thousands of different tools that your team could use to enhance your training. As of today, we have a lot of great things how AI could be used. It can generate personalized content for your organization. It can build courses within seconds. Your team could be training and could be coached with AI role plays. And additionally, there are so many more things that you are definitely missing out. In this video, we are going to talk about AI in corporate training.
You can think of a few ways of how AI powered tools could be used in modern L&D. And obviously, one of them is related to personalized learning and to some content creation, like courses. Additionally, any sort of analytics, which is powered by AI, coaching, feedback, and other sort of simulations. And today, we want to show you how we could use some of that in L&D. According to Harvard Business Review, you can see that the AI adoption now is growing rapidly. And basically, I would say around like 88% of companies report regular AI use in business functions. Which, again, thinking about that, now we are in 2026, the AI tools are something that most businesses are very hard to survive. And basically, the highlights of a clear reality is that most companies are adopting AI fast, but unfortunately, many employees still need to support to develop certain skills. And that is why the AI can help you, your organization, and your employees to nail it. Basically, we discussed some tools, and definitely it is a great call to test them out and see how they would work inside of your company. One of the greatest tool for the learners would actually be some practical exercising, such as AI role plays, AI assessments, or anything that would actually help them to, for instance, train how to speak with the client, if it's maybe some sales or support training. And actually, now I want to show you how the idea of AI role play could work. So this is Educate Me AI. It is super simple. The only thing that I really need to do is just like hitting a simple prompt by saying what sort of a topic, between who it should be. And right there, within like a moment, the AI role play would be generated, and you would be able to edit all the necessary information, including the instructions of your learners. As well, you can choose it between call or chat, change the language. Yeah, and additionally, reviewing all the details which AI has generated, changing them if you like it. And I think it's a good call that we can test it out and see in practice how it works.
I honestly think the pricing killed that deal. It feels unfair to be told I handled the call poorly.
I totally understand the way you feel. I've been there myself. I know you already mentioned that the price was the killing point. However, can you think of whether it was something else, like maybe the mood of a client, or maybe there wasn't something wasn't mentioned there?
I get that, but I really think if we had been more competitive on price, we would have won. The client just kept bringing it up.
And as you can see, once I finished the call and right away I was given the result, which was fail in my case. And as well, I could see the detailed feedback, what exactly went wrong and how could I improve for the further testing and trying out my attempts. Synthesia AI lets L&D teams to create professional training videos in minutes. No cameras, no people needed. Just simply type your script, select the AI presenter, and the platform generates a lifelike videos, as you can see right there. It is quite perfect for producing on-brand content. Additionally, it's been used in some sales trainings and change managements and many other use cases. And additionally, it's quite easy. Again, you don't need like an actor to film the video. You don't need to spend a lot of time by editing and doing a lot of things. The AI can do it, so highly recommend checking the Synthesia AI for video generation. And surely some LMS also include the AI assistants or any support for the admins. For instance, the Chivo provides quite intelligent AI support that is based on the chat format that is easy to use, and it helps to create several things, navigate through the platform, and additionally, just to search and provide necessary recommendations based on the prompts. We talked about different tools in this video, and if you just compare and think about the way how much time it takes to create a course manually and create it with AI, or for instance how long it might take for a trainer, a professional coach to actually conduct a workshop or maybe individual training one-on-one, it might be something around like 60, 90 minutes, perhaps more if we talk also about preparation and post and pre training parts. But with AI, now it takes literally seconds and sometimes minutes, obviously. So definitely the AI wins in terms of time efficiency, in terms of personalization, and additionally, since it is mostly online, we can do it anytime, whenever we like, without the need to be fixed towards a specific schedule. If you're working in learning and development sphere, this is the best time to check on the big opportunities that artificial intelligence can give you and the corporate training world. The question is no longer whether AI should be used in the corporate training, but we already use it. It's more of a fact what kind of tools are used, how to use them effectively, and how my workflow can actually evolve with the help of AI. And if you want to see more insights on the AI and corporate training, LMSs, we will be very, very happy if you subscribe, comment, and give this video a like.